Hey there, Supercoder! Today, we're going to create a face sensing game in Scratch. Sounds super cool, right? Alright, let's get started! First, we need an extension. So go to the Extensions button and add the face sensing extension. Done? Perfect! Now, before creating the game, let's do a quick walkthrough of the blocks we have in this extension. First, let's add a sprite. Let's say an apple. Nice, the apple is on the stage. Now grab the block, go to Nose. Click it. Whoa, see that? The apple goes right to your nose. Now check the drop-down. We have a lot of options. Let's try top of the head. Click it. Now the apple is on top of your head. Try different options and see what happens. It's really fun. Now let's try the next block. Point in direction of face tilt. Add when green flag clicked on the top. Then attach the point in direction of face tilt block. Click the green flag. Now tilt your face. Wow, the apple is also tilting with your face. But we want this to happen continuously, right? So grab a forever block and wrap everything inside it. Now try again. Whenever you tilt your face, the apple also tilts smoothly. Super cool, right? So that's it for today's basics. In the next part, we'll turn this into a fun game. Until then, Supercoder, happy coding! Bye!